Guys, don't forget to tap, share. Tap, share. Guys, this is my new account, guys, ha.
What would you
Because
have of me?
I get banned na. Better ban.
Gently.
Oh, dragon. Naban ako.
By rough use. Go fetch them. See that they are careful.
Very yan.
We simply waited with unnecessary comforts.
Have I grown that heavy?
Naban.
These are yours.
Tungod sa
I've
bata.
not found wanting. This campaign
Kalimot ko
stretches
ba
beyond
nag-live niya?
expectations.
Niagi akong pagumangkon.
You wish to join me in the pursuit of
Nilingkod pag yun
Spartacus.
siya.
I
Nag-stay pa
wish
yung
in such
dugay.
thing. Yet I will not be removed from your arms for months, threatening years.
Dili na ma-open.
Trouble with mental
Account ko
illness.
na.
No women are forbidden. within
Restricted
camp.
account. Tata to.
But they
Bisa
are
mo
not banned from
i-search.
foreigners' camp, unless rules have shifted absent knowledge.
Oh, bandi.
I would not have my family bedded among
Ay,
slaves and
saya nga
boys.
sa kong
Not better
dita na
solution.
to eh.
Than having them stricken from embrace.
Mark Ed eh. Nagdita na ko dito.
Desire
At
much
mapintik eh.
appreciated. Yet I could not stay mind from thought of your safety place so
Buwan na
near.
rabayan ba? Iramin tagan ba na?
Remain here,
Mulo yung admin ako.
far from the threat of death, war so often promises.
No?
Is that sole reason?
Father,
Maanban di ay.
all has been attended. Your army stands ready.
Maanban?
First
Maanban pag
Yes, well
isa VIP ang
Don't have word.
maganban?
There yet lingers issue of what title I shall.
I am possessed of leanings towards the matter. Morning sun shall see them fall to play. At these returns from
Mao?
Royal Spray,
Pila po ibayad?
I would have house in order before we take leave from it.
I thought
Mix,
on
hello.
position all but mine.
Alex, pila
I
ibayad?
he favours another.
Damn! Hi baby Dame, this is my new account baby.
And inconsiderate.
Pila po, love forever. Pero feeling na ko ay dili na maanban. Kaya nga naman silang kuan be, ang mga admin dili man makaanban.
It is a thing of rare beauty, is it not?
Yes, Thomas.
Pag is VIP, dili
You will
makaanban.
carry it when you face Spartacus.
I shall carry my father's sword. It is not as well bred or considered as this.
Ay, I
It holds
remember.
deeper meaning.
Cheryl.
Caesar will carry it then, as your word and will.
I should not have placed you within his reach. He is a
Ganon.
man of base needs.
Then why only
SS VIP, so magkano ilang points yun? Di ba class F, class A lang is 150.
You
Crazy
speak your
born.
heart. I know your concern for the boy.
he no longer stands as such, but in the eyes of his father.
Would my wife could voice
Kung
such
pananglitan
simple
nga, kung pananglitan is VIP lang, kinahanglan is
She
SVIP
goes
jod.
with you.
wisdom? It was her intent.
Ang moanban.
Yet I would find no comfort in her presence, as I would in yours.
Is such a thing possible?
I will be forced to
Condor.
place you within followers' camp, but yes, it is possible. If you so desire it,
Yes, Thomas.
I do not pose question as master, but as a man. I would have answer as one.
Yes. It is something I desire. Marcus.
Di ba slave? Ganyan niya. Yan ang tadya ko ng slave guys. Pag ano ba? Ano ba? Wala po. Wala ko friend. Ay, pwede ba ang tagagawas?